Hey guys, welcome to your Green Wish. This is Girish, and today we'll be making a miniature landscape in a glass vase. I've themed it on love. You subscribe to the channel and do follow us on Instagram. You would see an ID of Instagram at the bottom and also in the channel description. Uh, we post our updates on Instagram, so that's where you will get to know even before a video comes out what's really coming up, so that ensures you're updated. And do ensure to share this amongst your friends because we're fairly new, and I think we need all your love and support to really grow this channel and come up with more videos that you like. So while we're beginning with terrarium, but I'm sure in the coming days we'll do many more projects of different kinds to beautify your houses with your own green space. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're using a 12-inch vase. This is the height is 12 inches. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is cleaning the vase from inside. So let's quickly just clean this. It's a pretty old vase that I've had. So इसको थोड़ा सा clean कर लेते हैं. Okay. So हमारा vase clean है. So we're ready to start our work. So let's keep the knives. So हम इसके नीचे सबसे बेस में क्या करेंगे, हम इसमें डालेंगे पेबल्स एंड बायोलॉजिकल मीडिया. अब ये क्या हेल्प करता है कि अगर मान लीजिए, बिकॉज इसमें कोई होल नहीं है नीचे, राइट, सो द वाटर विल नॉट ड्रेन. सो द बायोलॉजिकल मीडिया एंड द पेबल्स बेसिकली help the water drain out and stay at the bottom. So ये इंश्योर करता है कि आपके प्लांट्स रॉट नहीं हो, उनमें कोई दिक्कत ना आए. तो हम इसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं बायोलॉजिकल मीडिया एंड ये आपके रिवर बेड के पेबल्स होते हैं जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. और आपका जो टेरेरियम है उसका सेंटर जो है वो वाइडर, जो इसका साइड है जो वाइडर सेंटर में है, दैट इज वेयर योर focus remains of your plants. So that's what we're trying to do. So these are the biological media. So if you look at this basically आपको Amazon पे मिल जाएगा, ये आपको एक्वेरियम शॉप्स में भी मिल जाएगा. एंड मैंने ये Amazon से मंगाया था आज से करीबन 1.5 साल पहले, जब मेरे पास एक्वेरियम हुआ करता था. सो मैंने एक DIY प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था जिसमें कि मैंने एक कैनिस्टर फिल्टर क्रिएट किया, बायोलॉजिकल मीडिया फिल्टर क्रिएट किया था. तो उस समय मेरे को ये मैंने यूज़ किया था, राइट. सो विद दिस लेयर डन, व्हाट वी गोना डू नाउ इज़ हम इसके ऊपर एक नेट रखेंगे. ये नेट आपको अगेन Amazon से मिल सकती है या फिर आप अपने किसी भी नर्सरी में चेक कर सकते हैं तो आपको मिल जाएगी. जो मेरे पास नेट है ये अगेन मेरे पास बहुत टाइम से है, बट ये थोड़ी सी मोटी है. इफ यू लुक एट द नेट इट्स अ लिटिल वाइड, राइट. तो इसलिए मैंने इसको डबल किया है ताकि मेरा जो सॉइल है, जो सॉइल मिक्स है, वो नीचे ना जाए एंड आई एम एबल टू होल्ड इट अबव दिस नेट. सो लेट्स एक बार देख के इसकी साइज़ देख लेते हैं कि इज़ इट, क्या हमें इसको कहीं से कट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड मीडियम फॉर बायोलॉजिकल मीडिया, सो इट टेंड्स टू absorb and filter your water that goes down. So we're gonna put this. और ये हमें एक और चीज़ में हेल्प करेगा कि जो हमारा नेट है ये हेल्प करेगा हमें इसको होल्ड करने में. So we've put this, we're good. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसके ऊपर डालेंगे चारकोल. अपनी जगह या फिर आप अपनी नियर बाय यू कैन चेक इन प्लेसेस जो चंक इसमें डालेंगे. वहाँ भी ज़्यादा जाके अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, then another place that you can search for this is the time that I was making my DIY filter for my aquarium and this has charcoal. So इसमें charcoal कुछ ऐसा है. This again this can be used to reduce fungus because again कर पाते हैं, right? So and we will be building in that manner कि जहाँ पर हमको इसमें least maintain करना हो, और हम इस chipped marble pieces, इसका सिर्फ again the intent is to beautify the terrarium. So I'm trying to just keep it in the outer edges. मैं सेंटर में फिल करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm just trying to keep it on the outer sides ताकि जब इसके ऊपर mud या हम अपना soil डालें, so we're able to, it looks beautiful. Try and have this pushed around the edges. So as we can see, I think I will need a little more. Okay, I think that is good enough. अपनी फिंगर से आप इसको अंदर की तरफ पुश कीजिए ताकि alright, so if you see, it looks like this so far. कुछ जगहों पर it has gone a little too deep, वहाँ पर space था, but overall I think it looks good. Okay, so next is going to be our soil. The best soil that you see available in Amazon. अगर आप इसको locally अगर आप लोग घर पे बनाना चाहते हैं, then certainly let me know in the comment section, and possibly in the upcoming video we can have one video which where we talk about how you can make soil at home. The plant that we'll be using is called a zebra plant. These are a variety of succulents. Zebra plant is also known as Havartias. Right, so that's the first plant that we'll be using. Along with that, we're going to be using lace aloe plant. There's again a variety of succulents, and the last that we're going to be using, this is called a mother of thousands, and these are the babies of the mother of thousands. I can show you one of them. It's like this. These are all plants that I have propagated at home. We have these miniature houses which we're going to be using, and let's see which one we use. We're going to use this cute couple that we have. Also, if you did follow my Instagram post, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, I would request you to do that, because वहाँ पर आपको updates सबसे पहले मिल जाएंगे, and you will get to know things even before any video comes in. So if you see here, let me bring it a little forward. So if you see here, I have some of my Aralias that I had put up for propagation. It's still day 2, and I'm still not clear or sure when I will, but let's see. I might use a couple of Aralias also to put on in this terrarium. Okay, so now let's see how we go about this. Okay, so we just saw the terrarium that we just created. Now, few tips that we need to keep in mind after we've created this terrarium. So because it's been repotted in a very different environment than where the plants actually were before. Succulents need very little water, um, and they work well, right? Excessive water will kill them. So if you're in doubt ever about succulents, water less. So I'll keep you updated on the progress. Till then, I'd say, because we're just getting started, we would need all your help and support. Do like the video if you like it. To comment and tell us what you liked and what you would like us to do in our future videos. Do subscribe to the channel so really you and hit the bell icon so you're updated on really what's coming your way, and do share the video amongst your friends so this they could be learning something new and they could pick up as a hobby or something which they might get serious eventually. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and we'll be back again very soon with another video of a green wish.